had back pain my whole life, and about 5 years ago, it got to the point where I was in bed, literally, for about a year and a half. And I started seeing a doctor up in Bend, and he was doing alternative medicines. First they start with cortisone, and then, you know, they're like, well, this isn't working. They did a nerve ablation. I spent, on my insurance records, or some information I got recently, in 3 years I went into that doctor 33 times. And of those appointments, about 4 of them were covered by insurance because we were doing alternative medicine. So my injections were costing $650 a treatment to $200 a treatment. So we spent thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars, and they could never tell me what was wrong with my back, and it never really got better. It just kind of slightly changed. And so when my mom told me about this, I'm like, oh, I'll try it. So she had lost like 6 inches off of her belly in 2 days because she had this bloat. Like, she felt like she was pregnant all the time, and she'd done many weight loss programs, including one in Bend that was affiliated with a nurse, and she's seen her for 2 years, and went to this nurse for 2 years and couldn't get below this certain weight. And so in less than 3 weeks, she looks fabulous. And I have pictures I can show you guys if you haven't seen my Facebook page. It's pretty amazing, and she says she feels great. So I started the program. First week, I'm thinking, oh, my back kind of feels good, but you know, I kind of have days like that. By the second week, my back pain was gone, and I was shocked. And I lost 11 pounds. And I'm like, this is pretty impressive. And I wasn't hungry. I wasn't like craving. So for me, I know that it truly has, in just a short amount of time, changed my system, and including my back. I mean, thousands of dollars, multiple visits. You know, I missed a lot of my kids' games during high because I couldn't stay at the games because my back pain was too bad. So take a little silent note of what your aches and pains are now before you start, because it truly is life-changing.